I will be making my own tomato base for the soup, so let's get that started. My tomato base contains tomatoes, olive oil, Mexican oregano, cumin, salt, and garlic. I blended this until smooth. I will now toast the noodles in olive oil over medium heat in a soup pot. Stirring frequently until golden and toasted, the noodles should be done within 4 minutes. Readily adding the tomato base into the noodles so they can fry together. Allow this mixture to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinsing out the blender with vegetable stock so no tomato base goes to waste. We are going into low simmer mode for 20 minutes. After simmering on low heat for 20 minutes, this will be your delicious soup. I also heated up an onion to go on the side of my soup. I typically don't add seasonings after my meals are done. Recipe is in the description below. Enjoy!